I was checking my battery, and so I had to flip the screen all the way down and to check the battery percent. And when I went back onto the camera, the video, it just stopped the video and stopped the video and put it in my inventory. So this is what? Time 2! Oh, so funny! I have Firebolt. So if you didn't know what we were doing, what we were about to do, we were about to go into my room, feed my fish, get dressed, and plug in my phone. Okay. Stay phone. Right, here's my goldfish food. Oh, you probably want to see my fish, don't you? This is my fish. Christmas. And it's going to be a birthday soon. So she was alive. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. She's been alive for 13 months. And I know, 12 months is a year from January to December. But we got her around December. We got her December 23rd. Right when I got my ear piercings ripped out. Right around that time. Because if you look at my ears, they're not pierced, but they used to be pierced with these beautiful silver and gold earrings. Then Jackson there's this boy, Jackson, he once went to my co-op, but now he doesn't. He lives very far away, so I don't see him anymore. His name is Jackson Carterson. What's his last name again? Jackson Carterson. Jackson Carterson Samuel. It's a weird name, isn't it? So, anyways, I'm just gonna say JCS for short. He just comes up to me and rips out my earrings. I can still feel the little holes, but trust me, they're not big enough. Now the next thing we're gonna do are the charges in the playroom. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I got my charger. Now, I'm going to let you in on a little secret that you won't be able to see until the next day when I release this video and start making my nighttime routine video. Is this no part 3, guys? Yeah, I'm just gonna think it's plugged in. And so, I'm gonna show you the little secret, but at night, I like to write in my diary. It's a squishy donut. It basically doesn't have that many juicy secrets. Not too many. It only has I'll say around 20. And all these pages below. I just basically write about my daily life and everything that my friend did to me. So, yeah, and then a tight relationship with one of my friends. So now it's time to get dressed. Know what you're all thinking? Ooh, I'm gonna see your leg and the boobs and butt. One for you boys. Boys and girls. I don't have boobs yet. Okay? And two, you wanna, I'm gonna be off screen. I'm gonna be standing right here. You might be able to see little bits of me, but, and also, only my waist. You can't see the bottom half of my body. So, yeah. You're not looking. Let's see, where is it? Where is it? Ah, it's not you. Where are they? Found them in my closet. Well, that's for today. I know what you're thinking. You're gonna have to unplug your phone when you leave, but nah. I really thought it would be 12 by now, but instead it's not. So we're just basically going to. Oh, you know what we can do? Look. So I want to show you something. I got some slime, and if you saw the first shadow that I did in the first part, sorry, I'm not going to be able to get those bracelets. I've spent too much time, I've been spending too much time making these. If you're wondering what they are, they're for my friends at co-op. I can't tell you any of the names, though, because it's just a girl my family's name. Well, I did tell you one. Jackson Codison Samuels? I don't remember the last name. It's the friends who leave co-op, I don't really ever remember. So it's really hard to remember whoever his last name or something. So now we gotta pick out, I know it's winter now, but I kind of want to go on a date someday. So I gotta pick out a nice dress. Do you see any nice dresses up here? Right, so I'm going to try on a number of dresses. And you guys, wait, I don't have all of them yet. Oh! I'll finish talking to you in a sec. I still don't have all of the dresses yet. So I'm going to get changed on the side where you can't see into all these different dresses. And you're going to tell me what dress and which style is your absolute favorite that you would love to see me do a special video just for you guys on. Okay? So comment down below, what is your favorite dress? I think I kind of already know mine, and I hope you guys pick the same one as me, because it's pretty clear that I'm not gonna budge on which dress I like. And also, guys, you don't have to change your favorite dress for me or for your friends. It's for you. So this one is to Jackson's party. Jackson's birthday party, and I think it's really adorable on me. What do you think? It just makes me feel so happy and warm inside. This is just a really nice dress. It's a bit hard on me kind of, because of like, you know, the parts right here that are kind of like tiny. So that's a little hard, but other than that, I like this one. Now I'm going to change into another one, and I hope you like it. And my favorite dress, you will see a the last one because this is specialist dressed. P.S. It was my mom's. She wore it on her honeymoon. And no, it is not this one. Okay, what do you think? I think I've gotten a bit big for this dress though, cause see this waist right here? It's supposed to be right here, but now it's up here, cause this is kind of, cause I've probably grown because I haven't worn this since July. What do you think? I like it. Alright, now time for one that might take me a second to get into, because it's a hard one, but other than that, a really cozy one. And I know what you're thinking, that doesn't look cozy at all, but actually if you feel it, it is actually very, very soft, like extremely soft, fluffier than the fluff. Oh no, that doesn't sound good. Fluffier than the fluffiest stuffed animal you probably own. Queen of the waves, no one's gonna take away her crown. Queen of the waves, no one's gonna take away her crown. Right, here you go. This is a very soft and very tight dress. It's not that tight, it's actually pretty loose, but back, you have to tie it so it'll be extra tight. So let me just untie it and no, it will not fall off. When you untie it, it turns like, sorry if this is taking a little long. It turns like this. Not that tight anymore, is it? Queen of the waves, no one's gonna take away her crown. Stand up, lean and slide, slide. Hang up and up, go for a ride. Catch that girl, get it into the tube. Do the honey one can make your tail bend move. She's the queen of the waves. No one's gonna take away her crown. What do you think? This one reminds me of one of those movies, Mirabelle. That's one of the reasons why I got it. This one's a little tight on me as well because it goes up like that. And no, it doesn't actually do that. I would like it better if it went like that, but it doesn't, and it's really tight. I don't like it. I would if it weren't so tight, but it is. So it is very hard to wear, and I haven't actually worn it before, so yeah. And also, if you haven't, go on Shadow and Blizz, like and subscribe to their channel. I know I am not friends of theirs, I wish I were, but I'm not. And type in at YouTube, Shadow and Blizz, why do girls cost so much money? You'll see a few videos that might be handy. Then there's this orange dress. It has pockets. I don't really care about the pockets. It's very baggy. Buttons in the back. I don't know if you can see. I don't like it, but my mom says it suits me perfectly, and I wish that I had a million copies so I could wear it every day, which I don't. I haven't worn this since gymnastics. Alright, now we're getting down to the final two, some of my favorite dresses. Boom. And I won't be upset if you pick any of these clothes that aren't my favorite, because I love them all. But this one, I would think most of you would pick, at least the, like, I'm in a cold stage. What do you think? It used to drag all the way down here. It used to be like, there was so much of it, I would have to go like, ah! But now it fits me perfectly. Little eyes, no one's gonna take away her crown. Hands up, leaning side to side. Hang back, go for a ride. This one, parents, your parents might not approve of because it doesn't have any overhead straps, but it is pretty good. Right. It makes me feel like I'm a princess. No one's gonna take away her crown. Guys, I'm not gonna show you me because look at this mess. I guess we did a little too much. I'm gonna put this right here, and I gotta go swimming. Just because I'm kind of covered and I can't move. If you wanted this, said help. I'm stuck in clothes. And I can't find my shirt or pajamas. Or pajama pants, basically. I'm gonna have to wear soft fuzzy pants because I'm not wearing day pants. So I can't wear them. Guys, are we still on? Please. Oh, thank God. Guys, sorry if that's a little inappropriate. Because you might have just saw my boobs or my nipples. I don't know. I didn't see anything when I saw that, but I really hope that doesn't make it into the video. I hope like I can trim it or something where like I can edit that out when I don't actually have editing equipment. So maybe I'll be able to trim it, maybe I won't, if I can't, and you could actually see the nipples. That's gonna be really bad for me. Like I might have to be grounded. You'll be like, what? No, you don't deserve that. That was an accident. And those of you who are like, well, actually, it is kind of your fault. Gee, thanks. I know that. And I'm just, you can look at me now because I'm dressed, but I just worry because I want to make sure that you guys get to see the real me and you don't have to get, and it's not inappropriate, but the thing is, I can't stay appropriate because I'm just the way when I was little, nobody in the household was ever appropriate really, because I was always with my TT and everybody's laughing. I was the youngest one in the family, and so I remember that I was always taught to be inappropriate, and so that's actually like a part of me. And I can't help it. Parents, if you watch me, like, not my parents, but like parents of the kids who are watching. If you're watching, I am very, very sorry. It's just that it's who I am, and if I'm gonna do as best as I can to edit all this out. Okay, and if I can't, this is my deepest apologies. And I know our motto: no editing, no editing, no editing. Everything has to be realistic and in the moment. But I might have to, because you kids don't want to watch this, do you? And if you do, all I have to say is, wow, you kids are some not a kid. But yeah, I really hope that part 2 will actually make it through the day, because part 1 made it about like 34 minutes before I accidentally checked the battery and that happened. Because actually, there was actually a part before that where I actually started downstairs, went to the bathroom, saw my owls, fed my dog, but then I accidentally but then I decided to hit the stop button because like I hadn't actually gone to the bathroom and there was no like pause the video button. So I had to just so I basically just decided to stop filming and then start with that. And then start after I went to the bathroom, washed my hands, and practiced my intro. And I know what you're thinking, why do people need to practice? But actually, I never did that either, but like a YouTuber. Actually, it's a lot of nerves when you're a YouTuber, because, what? Okay. Because everybody is watching you. Hundreds of people are watching you, and it's like, please stop watching me. That's the kids are stage shy. But it is kind of scary, you know. But, come on, I'm going to show you later. You'll only be able to see the background inside my mom and dad's bathroom and things. So, yeah, I'm still into Barbie. I just recently got into those Barbie movies that I showed you again. And so, yeah, it's a little weird, but can you blame me? I haven't watched them in centuries. So, I wanted to do this in another video, but then I realized, like, one, I need break time for videos so I can think of my night routine video and other cool videos soon to happen. And then, but I wanted to do this after, so I was like, ah. So I decided just to put this in this video. Now you're thinking, this isn't a part of my morning routine, but can you blame me? It actually is kind of a routine now that I'm making videos, that I make videos in the middle of the day, so it's kind of normal for me to make videos in the middle of a video. Woo! Okay, Alexa, play songs made by Barbie.
Shuffling Barbie and similar artists on Amazon Music.
Alexa, next. Alexa, next. Something like that. Whoop. Don't worry, this is a good song. I've heard it before. Oh, and I'm also adding in my music video. Hey guys, I'm not done yet. Oh my god. That was Casey. Alexa, play Can't Wait.
Shuffling Can't Wait and similar songs on Amazon Music.
Crazy.
Look, as you do what I say.
Alexa, stop. Oh my god, guys, they said a bad word. Did you hear that? Oh, I hope you did it. Alexa, play Do the Mermaid.
Shuffling Do the Mermaid.
We're just gonna
From
do
Barbie and
the
a
Mermaid.
Mermaid
I wanted
Tale
to
2
do
and similar
Can't
songs
Wait,
on
but
Amazon Music.
I forgot that the beginning of that. How does she know that song? They told you everything was waiting for you. They told you everything was set in stone. But now you're feeling like a different ending. Sometimes you gotta find it on your own. It's an open book. I wrote in reverse. A brand new hook. Forget that curse. It's a double call. Alexa, stop. Wow, that was actually really fun. That Ever After High song, it was from an old TV show I used to watch. Comment down below if you watched that. I know I'm saying comment down below a lot, but that brought back so many memories when me and my friend and a special friend used to actually have fun together. I remember watching that show, and my friend would just come knocking on the back door asking for a play date. It was magical. So now that we did my swing video and music video, they're not going to be in a different video. No, they're just going to be included in this video. Ah! So now what? You want to watch a movie? So this is a little bit of a stretch. So basically we're going to be picking in between Rapunzel and all these other movies. So I'm going to do the Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. You're probably not going to be able to see. I hope you can, but you probably won't. Then we're going to pick a movie, make lunch, and then we are going to eat it while watching the movie up here, but then we will have to end the video. This is going to be longer than the first. Right, so we have Fairytopia, Rapunzel, Swan Lake, Magic of the Rainbow, Mermaidia, Barbie and the Pink Shoes, The Island Princess, Barbie in a Mermaid Tale, or Barbie in the Diamond Castle. Right, so I'm going to Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. My mother says to pick the very best one, and you are it. Guys, I don't think I want to watch it. I think I'll watch The Island Princess instead. So the first thing we do for this is just sit up.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
It's fine.
I really appreciate that. Enjoy your morning.
Ah! So we're basically going to end this video around 12, maybe 12 or 4, because then that will get into the PM, so then we'll be making the video 19. This video is probably, I know this video, part 1 and part 2 are pretty long, but this is probably going to be shorter compared to the nighttime routine, because we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11-hour video. Just joking, it's going to be like a, I don't know. So, actually, where is it? Aha. So actually it's probably, I'm going to stop around 7, and there's going to be 2 parts as well, so that would make it, what? So, I would have a 4-hour video and a 3-hour video. And man, that is actually very long now that I think about it. Am I sure I even want to do this? And guys, there are these other Barbie Princess movies that I've seen before for free. But now they're on all the expensive apps. We have to pay money for them. And they're really, really great movies. I've seen all of them and I can't see them again. So, the next thing we do, I don't know if you can see, but we're going to press this on button. Wait for it to turn on. Did you hear that sound? That means it turned on. Alright.
What do you
in Santa Claus and a tooth fairy. I believe in my mom and dad.
I believe in my daughter.
I'm going to show you these ads because you don't see them anymore. Hopefully you guys can see that. Did you hear that? It comes to DVD spring of 2008. That means that was like, what, 14 years ago? Movie's about to begin. Oh, it's not. Well, I'm not sure that the boys would want to watch this or the girls. So, I'm just going to wait for this to be over. Should be here. It's Curious George. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys watch this while I get... Actually, you guys would probably want to see that, so... Let's go. Oh, yeah, I moved the couch back. Okay, come on, let's go make lunch. I'm hoping for the same thing I had yesterday. That was really delicious. I just gotta ask my mom if I can have the same thing I had yesterday. So I'm gonna leave it here, okay? Okay, I asked her and she said yeah, because one of the reasons I was wondering, oh, and one more thing. So, one of the items for my lunch isn't the healthiest cheese doodles. They were basically the same thing as Cheeto Puffs, and I think they came out before Cheeto Puffs, but the Cheetos are more like, they went towards the children. Like, you see adults eat it? Okay, yeah, some adults eat it. What's this? Oh. Oh, nothing. I'm doing what yeah, I guess. And also, because I got the movie set up. It's the Island Princess movie. And then I'm going to show them how I make my lunch and go upstairs and eat. And then I'm going to stop. Like, I'm going to finish the video. And you want to know a funny joke? This is part 2. Because I went upwards on part 1 to check the time. And part 1 just went, poof, it's a video now. I know you weren't done, but it's done. And where are you uploading this to? YouTube. So now I'm in the mood for some apple juice. Got my apple juice. Oh, I should have left that open. And so what I had yesterday was apple juice as my drink, cheese cubes, pepperoni, blueberries, banana, and the most important, cheese doodles. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that there. It's like the cheese doodles, like, I'm gonna grab this phone, I'm gonna grab it. So now I'm gonna need, I'll be right back. That I didn't finish earlier. I think that I'll just carefully put some into it. Just hope that I don't, because this is a really tiny cap. Alright, I'm just going to close the lid for now when I show it to you. And it kind of looks like pee, but it's apple juice. More than apple juice.
Oh,
I was drinking from this earlier today.
okay.
So now, banana time. How do I open this? Oops. Mom.
Yeah, you're gonna eat the whole thing?
Yeah.
There you go. Just throw away the peel.
Alright, so I'm gonna get out a knife and slice this banana. I usually just eat half of the banana and then save the other half.
Cut it and then peel it next
Yeah,
time.
I forgot to do that, so it turns out I'm eating the whole thing.
You can cut, I'll eat the other half.
Okay.
Just put it in here. Hopefully you wash your hands.
There. The big slices, but it's fine. Alright, now time for the pepperoni. I'm gonna do it kind of like in a color order. So we're gonna do some red over here. Here, so the space for the Colby Jacks. And if you're wondering why I said that, Colby Jacks. I'm gonna put the Colby Jacks in the middle because there's some orange on there. And then, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to put the pepperonis farther down, and the cheese doodles gonna go near the pepperonis. I guess the cheese doodles and the bananas had a baby. Oh, babies. And now, let me just close this. We're just gonna do the cheese doodles now. Right, down to 20 again. So we're gonna have to go a little more faster because the phone just got down to 20. And we don't want the phone to die, do we? No, you guys do. Probably do, because you're like, when will you stop? When will you end the video? You liked it better when you did the swing video and the dance video combined in this video. That probably is my favorite part of the video. I forgot to put the apple juice back.
Thank you for cleaning up.
You're welcome. Alright guys, now we are going to head upstairs where we're going to see the movie. Well, technically I am, because we're about to end the video and I know you guys are probably over the moon. But I just want to say I've had a really good time with you and I can't wait to see you in probably just a couple hours for my nighttime routine. Bye guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, ding-a-ling-ding, so you get notified when I post awesome videos like this one. And don't forget to comment down below. The question of the day is, do you like Mario? Bye guys, see you next time.